If you've been guided to click on this video, today's messages are from the fairies, otherwise known as nature's angels. You're now tapping into your inner power. As long as you work on your self-worth and self-esteem, your guides will help by steering new opportunities your way. Take care of yourself inside and out, get enough sleep, spend a little time outside in the sunshine, at least 15 minutes when the sun's coming up, and 15 minutes when the sun's going down. And of course, prayer and meditation will help you emotionally, spiritually, and physically. You'll be receiving some good news soon. Heaven's working on your problems. Don't focus on the how it will manifest, but instead let yourself feel the happiness knowing that things will work out. Be grateful, feel grateful, and know that something good is on the way. Honor your inner self and be true to you. Listen to your body. Whenever your heart is drawing you, choose where you need to be at this point in your life. And it's helpful to organize your thoughts and feelings in one place. A journal is wonderful for recording and looking clearly at what's important to you in your life written down. Also, it seems that there might be some changes, either in a residential move, or a new job, or a new job location, something along those lines. Nonetheless, energy is being drawn to somewhere new. This will be a change for the better, and so you just need to believe and embrace this new opportunity because it's all for the best overall for you and your life. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.